I'm back out here with the Eachine Spitfire 500mm wingspan brushless warbird. This is going to be my first flight session with a 3S LiPo in it. Should be a cloudbuster. Let's see. Contact. Alright. Alright, we look good. Alright, let's get it in the air. Launching. I had that at about 50% throttle on launch. Awesome. Ooh, it's going to be fast. Alright, so now we are in manual mode. Yeah. That's better. Alright, let's bring it back this way. Holy cow. Got another cloudbuster here on 3S. That is awesome. Look at that roll rate. Sweet. And it's so quiet even on 3S. I can't even hear it until I get it close to me. Isn't that awesome? Well, these 500mm warbirds, especially with the hobby grade transmitter, I'm flying it with the TX16S. They just handle really well in manual mode. I'm really impressed with them. Split S, a loop, a roll, deadly trifecta. Get another victory roll over here. Victory roll, yeah. Go to the other end here. Split S. A loop. That was kind of a crazy loop. Roll. Deadly trifecta. That is so cool. Oh, another awesome 500mm wingspan warbird. Look at that. That is astounding, man. I love these 500mm warbirds on 3S LiPo. That is awesome. In manual mode. Oh, that is epic. It is just like that F4U Corsair, the Eachine F4U Corsair on 3S. Look how fast that is. Look at that. It's absolutely awesome. Oh man, I'm having a blast with this plane. Links to it will be in the show notes. Links to the 2S and 3S LiPos will be in the show notes. You're definitely going to want one of these. You're definitely going to want it. Okay, let's do one more. Ready? Split S. Into a loop. Into a roll. Victory roll. Okay. Alright, we're going to try and bring it. I'm way up there now. Alright, so let's come through here. We'll make a one run through here. We'll come back through and try to land it. Now you don't want to slow up too much with the Spitfire. Oh, we flipped over. Alright. It's a durable little plane. Don't worry about it. That is another cloudbuster of a warbird. I love these 500mm wingspan warbirds. So if you haven't watched the flights, there'll be a link to the playlist in the show notes too, but you're not going to complain about power on 2S. On 2S it has excellent power, but on 3S it is a rocket. It is a cloudbuster. You're going to absolutely love it. That's a wrap on this episode. Stay tuned, and I'll see you next time in the Tinkerz Lab.